I am here to explain today one of the business segments known as Earth Explore. We call it Integrated Location Journey the virtual way. In real estate business, site visit of property plays a significant role in decision making. There are traditional ways to showcase a property. We can have physical journey, which involves time and money. We have walkthroughs, images, videos, sketches, as well as various kinds of maps. The concept behind Earth Explore is to create a software-based product that enables a virtual journey from a starting point in the city to a property destination without the need for physical travel. It also provides information at various stages of the journey to enable a better understanding of the route and areas traversed. The process that we follow is to utilize the existing Google Maps platform as a base upon which further layers can be added. Graphically or visually indicate various landmarks or geographical features en route. Create data boxes providing information on a range of parameters and embed them at relevant points on the journey. Provide additional information through GIS data, photogrammetry, and cartography, or a combination thereof, to consolidate the full package into a single seamless product that can be made available through a CD or online transmission or download. The prime content of Earth Explore will have a detailed route map from a starting point to destination, landmarks and geographical features en route, road width and traffic density of various points, distance versus time estimates for different sections of journey, information pertaining to a start, end point and intermediate stages covering parameters such as mean sea level, topographical and geographical features, social infrastructure, guidance value versus market value, retail entertainment and cultural values, economic activities, air and noise pollution levels, GIS infrastructure, photogrammetry as well as cartography. The customers will have various benefits or gain from Earth Explorer. If we enumerate, we can say it negates the need for site visit for those unable or declined to do so. It also supplements a site visit by providing detailed information about the various stages of the journey. It provides the convenience of anytime, anywhere viewing. It enables repeat journey or traversing of select sections again. It serves as a record that provides information at the touch of a button to refresh memory. It also adds the process of evaluation and informed decision making in the purchase decisions. The potential markets we are looking at B2C, there we can have individuals. Also we can aim at B2B, there we can have property developers, housing societies, corporate as well as various industries.